Hello, my strong seniors. Welcome back to our 60-day exercise series for seniors. Today is day 8, and we'll be doing 3 easy leg exercises to keep your legs strong and your balance steady. If you're new here, start from day 1 and join our daily routine for better strength and mobility. Exercise 1, seated leg extension. All right, my strong seniors, it is time for our first exercise of day 8, the seated leg extension. This move strengthens your thighs, improves circulation, and keeps your knees flexible. First, take your sturdy chair and sit comfortably with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Hold the sides of your chair gently for balance. Now, lift your right leg slowly until it is straight in front of you. Hold it for a moment, then lower it back down. That is 1 repetition. We will do 50 repetitions together, nice and slow. Ready? Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your breathing steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing so well. Feel your thigh muscles working. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, keep your posture tall. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Do not give up now, my strong seniors. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You are building strong, powerful legs. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Only 10 more. Keep smiling. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. Now take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. How are you feeling so far? You can tell me in the comments. Are your legs feeling stronger on day 8? Remember, if this is your 2nd or 3rd day of doing these exercises, you should start noticing better movement and less stiffness. Now let us switch to the other leg and repeat the same process. Keep your back straight, lift your left leg up slowly, and count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 50 again. You are doing amazing. Keep going, and do not forget to share this video with your senior friends so they can join you and feel stronger every single day. Exercise 2, sit to stand from chair. All right, my amazing seniors, now we are moving to our second exercise of the day, the sit to stand from chair. This is one of the best exercises to strengthen your legs, hips, and balance. It will make everyday movements like getting up from a chair or bed much easier. First, place your sturdy chair behind you. Sit comfortably with your back straight, feet flat on the floor, and hands resting lightly on your thighs. Keep your knees shoulder width apart. When you stand up, press your feet into the ground, keep your back tall, and use your leg strength, not your hands. When you sit back down, do it slowly and with control. We are going to do this 50 times together, nice and steady. All right, take a deep breath and get ready. Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your breathing smooth and your shoulders relaxed. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing fantastic. Keep your movements controlled. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. Great work, my strong seniors. How are you feeling? Tell me in the comments if you feel your legs warming up. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are almost there. Stay with me. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Remember, you are getting stronger every day. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Only 10 more. You can do this. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. Take a moment to sit down, inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. You just completed 50 full sit-to-stands, and that is a huge achievement. If you finished all 50, type "I did it" in the comments so I can celebrate your progress. Also, let me know from which country you are joining today. It makes me so happy to see our strong senior family growing from all around the world. Keep going. Your body is thanking you for this effort every single day. Exercise 3, seated marching. Now, my wonderful seniors, it is time for our third and final exercise of day 8, the seated marching exercise. This movement helps improve your blood flow, strengthens your hips and thighs, and enhances your coordination and balance. It is safe, easy, and very effective for daily mobility. To begin, sit tall on your sturdy chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the ground. Place your hands on your thighs or on the sides of the chair for support. We are going to lift one knee at a time as if we are marching in place. Keep your movements steady and controlled. No rushing, just smooth and strong motions. All right, take a deep breath in. Let us start marching together, slowly lifting one leg at a time. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Keep your core tight and chest tall. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beautiful rhythm. You are doing great. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there. Keep your knees lifting high. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Do not stop now. You are doing amazing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Your legs are getting stronger with every lift. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost done. Stay with me, my strong seniors. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. Take a moment to relax and breathe deeply. You just completed 50 seated marches. That is incredible. How are you feeling after finishing all 3 exercises today? Type in the comments and tell me how your body feels after day 8. Are your legs feeling more flexible and active? And please share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can join you on this journey towards strength, balance, and better health. Remember, consistency is the key. Every single day you move, you are becoming stronger, younger, and more confident.